Welcome back to the channel. What did we get ourselves into today? Well, today we're up in northern Quebec, and there's an old dock that needs a little bit of love. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. And just typical, the spruce does pick up some rot over the years. There's no PT allowed in the water. So when the spruce 2x6 deck boards become rotten, I'll show you how to take them out. There's the equipment we're going to need. There's a framing hammer, and then this little guy right here is called a cat's paw. And then you have a large crowbar. The cat's paw, if I can get this right, the cat's paw, to remove a nail, you're gonna put that cat's paw right behind that nail, and you can see the area that's been where the paint's removed on the back of the cat's paw. You'll drive that with a hammer. You'll get that tip right underneath that nail, the old nail you want to pull out, and you're going to pull back. And once you've pulled back enough, you're going to use this crowbar to pull that nail right out. And by the time we lay in there our new boards, of course, we've got a trusty framing hammer, which is going to allow us to put those nails in. That'll be another job done. The cat's paw is your go-to tool on this job to get those nails out. Anyway, you want to replace those boards before somebody falls through. If you like what you saw, press like and subscribe. And this is the check on the wind column. We'll talk to you next time.